I am working on a Q-55G engine on a Generac RV generator. Carb is bad. Has been worked on in the past and is not rebuildable now. Need a replacement carb. Can't find one. Do you know of any other units that use a carb of this type of application I can make work?
What's the make and model of the generator? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
1996 Generac Q-55G with a GN 480 engine.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I'm the mechanic performing the repairs.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really. The engine runs fine if I spray fuel into the carb. The internal of the carb is in bad shape and the gentleman is going to rely on the generator. By the way, the original Generac PN for the carb is 073112B. It is my understanding the carb or rebuild kit are no longer available.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. https://www.partsfortex.com/osipcart/carburetor retrofit for Generac 073112BP976.html.
I am aware of the retrofit carb shown. The gentleman I am helping out that owns the camper is older and on a limited budget. I was searching for a less expensive option if one is available.
Okay, let me opt out. Maybe someone else can come up with a cheaper version.
Okay, Curtis. Thanks for the help.
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. There is a small tag at the bottom of the engine with a code on it. The code is in the format XXXXXX4X20. The first 6 digits will all be numbers, but the rest can be letters or numbers. What is that code? I have uploaded a drawing showing the location of the tag. It is in the area identified by the yellow box. You may have to clean some grease and oil off to read it. Click here to download the drawing.
Hank, your software is causing some problems. I hope you received this. Info on 2 tags. Engine tag, Model 303,775 Type 0119 to 014,011 Code 95,061,311. By the way, not being a cheapskate. Helping the old gentleman for free. He doesn't have much to spend. Appreciate your help. The generator is a Q-55G Generac. About a 1996 model. Can send pictures of engine and generator tags if that helps.
Sorry for the delay. I put in a 12-hour shift yesterday, and then had a meeting after work. I didn't get home until late last night. I was really hoping you would have had an older version of that engine. If it had been, I could have gotten you a carb overhaul kit. As it is, your newer version of that engine is a carb-compliant unit, and as such, there is no overhaul kit available. As you have found out, this carb is no longer available through Generac, so you are very limited in your options. 1. There is a company that seems to be able to get some parts that Generac cannot. It will be worth giving them a call. The company is called Schwam. The phone number is 800-237-4318. The worst that can happen is that they can't get one. 2. You could try cleaning the original carb without a kit. You might just get lucky. 3. If neither of those options pans out, your only option would be to replace the carb with that retrofit. The link provided earlier is the least expensive place I have found to get it. Sorry for the bad news, but since Generac quit making RV gensets about 15 years ago, parts are starting to get more scarce.
Thanks, Hank. I figured that would be the case. The only thing difficult to get is the paper bowl gasket. I have machined a die to use in the press to punch out the gasket so I can clean it and reassemble it. Unfortunately, someone attempted to remove the main jet previously and broke off one of the ears. So I can't get it out. But I will work on it with brake clean and do my best. I will get it. Thanks again, Hank. Frank Pearson.
Yeah, thanks to those liberals on the West Coast, these things are not supposed to be taken apart, which forces us to buy new ones instead of just being able to clean the old ones. I hope you can get it done without having to buy a new carb, but don't hold your breath too long. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please remember to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.